crashing waves. Swept under the crashing waves. In the air's embrace, leading me without words to say. I found myself in the ocean, and I felt the waves of devotion calling out my name. Swept under the crashing waves.